Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the case study video on method overloading.
Hello everyone, I'm Hamsna from CST. Today we are going to see about method overloading. So what is method overloading? Method overloading means different parameters but have same method names. For example, in our real life we took vehicles like scooty and bike. So vehicles is a base class and bike is a first derived class and scooty is a second derived class. So for both bike and scooty, the methods are same. We have to run both the vehicles, but the parameters are different. Like we have to give accelerator for scooty, which is second derived class, and we have to give gear change for bike, which is first derived class. So both for both the derived class, the methods are same, but the parameters are different. So in a method line, we have to input different parameters, but the methods are same. Introduction. It is the mechanism by which a call to an overridden method is resolved at runtime rather than at compile time. This is achieved through method overriding and allows Java to support late binding. In Java, when a superclass reference variable refers to a subclass object, the method that gets executed in the one in the subclass. This allows flexibility and extensibility in code. Dynamic method dispatch is also known as runtime polymorphism. So, problem statement, student performance evaluation system. So, as a students, in our class, we are going to maintain both academic and non-academic performance of a students. So, design a Java program where a superclass student has a method display details. The subclass graduate student overrides this method to provide additional details to specific to graduate students. So here we have to maintain both the academic and non-academic student performance in a same through method overloading. So let's see how the method overloading with method overridden method helps in a student management system. So let's see an example.
I'm Batmasri from first year CST, and I'm here to explain about the method overriding, which is an important concept in the object-oriented programming. It shows how a parent class method can be defined by its child class. Class structure, it has one parent class and two child class in this example. A class structure, a parent class is student, which contains a method display details that prints general student details. This is the base method that will be overridden. The first child class is graduate student, inherits from student, overrides display details to print graduate student details, research area and thesis title. The child class 2, which is an undergraduate student, it also inherits from a student, which is a superclass. It overrides a method display details to print undergraduate student details, major and CGPA. In main class, objects are created using the parent class reference, but they point to a child class objects. Here the outputs are given, the key points of the runtime polymorphism. Though the reference of this type student, Java uses the actual object type to decide which method to call. This is called runtime polymorphism or dynamic method dispatch. Finally, this program shows how we can use inheritance and method overriding to write a flexible and reusable code. It also explains how polymorphism helps in calling the right method at the runtime. Thank you.
So conclusion, method overloading in Java is a powerful concept that enhances code reusability and flexibility in student record management. In student record management, it allows retrieving or updating student details using different parameters like student ID, student name, or department, reducing redundancy and improving efficiency. Instead of creating multiple methods with different names, overloading enables a single method name to handle various inputs, making the code more structured and readable. This approach ensures better maintainability, scalability, and ease of use, especially in large scale applications like school or university databases. Thank you.